today, as we have completed in last class about the functions and constructors, so today I am here with the topic in Java buffer reader. Today we will learn about buffer reader in Java. So what is buffer reader? As we have scanner class. Scanner class is the one way in Java to write a program. So this is also another way to write the same program in different way with another syntax. So today we'll learn about, we know about scanner class. We generally this is used as this is the newest way or newest method to write programs. This we just have to know that how we have to write, because in output finding the questions can come from buffer reader. So today we'll learn about buffer reader. Now syntax for this buffer reader. First we have to write import java.util asterisk. We have to write class and name of the class. After this we also write in scanner class. So after this we'll write public, same public static void main string alias and it will be throw IO exception. We have written public static void main string alias, and here we are using buffer data, so we'll write throws IO expression. Capital I input stream input capital of input, stream as capital and reader R capital. New input stream reader system.in. And after this, now this much we know we also have to write in scanner class. So after this we have to take input. So what will print? Enter a number. And we'll close this. So this is only about buffer reader. Now we'll write one program from this buffer reader. We'll write program 1 prime number in buffer reader. Now what we have to change is the name, class name will change class name we'll write prime. Here it will be same. After this it will also be same as written here. Now we'll write entire number and integer will be taken. So after this, what we'll do, after taking the number, what we'll do, we'll write here we'll store one variable c, int c is equal to 0. This we have done. After this what we'll do, let's drop this. After this we'll check if, what we'll check, if c is equal to 2, then prime number, else composite number, and we'll close this. So this was the program. Copy down. This buffer reader is not that much important, as we write programs in scanner class, but the questions from this buffer reader can be asked in output finding, which is of 20 marks. So in 20 marks we have to see that this question can come, so we have to know about this also, as there is only few lines, few statements are different, but the logic behind this is logic, and this is same everywhere. So just we have to learn this, what we call syntax of this buffer reader. We have to keep in mind we'll write programs in scanner class only, as it is new way to write the program. So today we have learned about the buffer reader, which is opposite or the another type to write a program. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.